Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks slid Wednesday as investors returned focus to the latest batch of corporate earnings. Wall Street also continued to weigh the outlook for future Federal Reserve policy moves. With the US reporting season still playing out, rising interest rates are starting to affect earnings. 69% of the S&P 500 companies have reported fourth quarter earnings so far that have beat analyst expectations. That is post many analysts lowering their expectations for the quarter amid rising concerns about the health of the economy. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.6%, the S&P 500 slid 1.1%, while the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.7%. In earnings news, fast food chain Chipotle slid more than 5% after missing expectations on the top and bottom lines in the latest results. Lumen Technologies tumbled 21.3% after it reported a fourth quarter loss of $3.1 billion and gave guidance for the year that was under Wall Street expectations. Meanwhile, CVS and Uber each gained more than 4% on the back of earnings that came in above Wall Street estimates. Unrelated to earnings, shares of Google parent Alphabet were down more than 8% on Wednesday, wiping billions of dollars off its market value, as Wall Street digested the potential damage to its search dominance and profits from a new artificial intelligence battle with Microsoft. In EV news, China's passenger car sales slumped 38% in January, reversing a 2.4% gain in the previous month, industry data showed on Wednesday, as demand weakened after a tax cut on combustion engine cars and subsidies on electric vehicles expired. Sales of new energy cars that include pure battery EVs and plug-in hybrids also fell 6.3% in January after a blistering 90% growth in 2022. The S&P 500 sectors finished lower overnight due to a weak performance from fan mags, retail and apparel, restaurants, utilities and meme stocks. On the other hand, the auto sector is performing well, along with managed care, large cap pharma, select distributors, while media, oil services and steel are also holding up. In commodity news, Indonesia has become the second largest producer of the battery material cobalt, according to US government data, outpacing countries like Russia and Australia. Indonesia already produces half of the world's nickel and is expected to increase its share of global cobalt output to almost 20% by 2030. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.4% fall. Thank you for listening.